In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can mute text alerts from just one person on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's three methods in order to go ahead and do this. The first one is directly through the Messages app. Essentially, open up that Messages app, find whoever you want to go ahead and mute. Let's say I want to mute this person right here. Just select on their chat, tap in their name up at the very top, and then from here, if you scroll down, you're going to have an option to hide alerts, essentially meaning alerts from that person are going to be muted. On older models of phones, you can actually swipe left directly like this, and it'll have an option to mute that. That would be method number 2. Or you can also do this using focus mode by exiting out of that, opening up settings, scrolling down and selecting focus, and then you'll find a little plus icon up at the very top. Go in and select that, hit custom. I recommend naming this the person you're trying to mute. So let's just say it is this person right here. Select a color, hit next, do silence notifications, and then you can choose them right here by hitting add people and then searching for their name, just like so. But that is how you can go ahead and use silence mode on just one person and mute them without actually having to block them. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.